Hey man, say cheese. Say bulla and pear. Yeah. You know, I must come down, man. Got to do what you got to do. Another day. Let the youth them know say education is very important here. Take it serious. Learn about the concept of biology, physics, mathematics, quantum mechanics. Yeah. And the human body and all of these functions and all of these things. Because work is hard to get if you're a dunce. That's true, Ella? Yeah. Work not hard to get if you're a dunce, man. Yeah. They don't know. And the boss step on the ground, you hear that? Me and him till the end like Chucky, you know? They understand. You know the thing, man. That's to be working, you know? Nah, make him do nothing too hard still. I don't know. So next day that on the ground, I do same thing. Over there. After I say respect to all who always encourage me, say, yo, come out, come do it, deal with this to me. Deal with that for me. You see me? Much respect, man. Yeah, man. There are a couple of people where I tell you, say, can't stop have respect for them. You hear that? You know what thing go. Yeah, man. So you say my shit could have done them work faster, though? You say yet to improve. Yeah. You did. That is it, father. Yeah, upon it, man. You see me? Yes, I. The eye and the eye. And the most eye. You understand? Yeah, man. Another exercise, man. Has to do it well.